So, hello everyone, myself Himanshu Wasawa. I am pursuing my MBBS from Baroda Medical College. I am currently in second year. So, today I will be going to be analyzing one stock from my Magic 30 formula, which has been screened by me, and I will be analyzing one stock. So, what is Magic 30 formula? So, Magic 30 formula includes 30 stocks based on formula. Uh, if you include those 30 stocks in your portfolio, then it will give you greater return than indexes. For example, currently I am in India, so here in we have Sensex and Nifty. So if you include those 30 stocks, it will give you greater return than indexes with less risk. So welcome to my YouTube channel again. So let's start. So first off, that consist in my portfolio from Magic 30 formula is my type, which is listed on Bombay Stock Exchange as well as National Stock Exchange as Easy to Planners Limited. So let's have an overview. So currently share price is today was high is 53.60 and low was 49.75, and it has been closed at 52.95 and maximum share price. Let's see how much is it. So it has been listed since March 21, and it was listed at 13 rupees, and it has gone high as 73.50 rupees. uh, it is tour and travel services, small cap with market cap of 8717 crore rupees, and it is 3.65 times as volatile as Nifty. That means, what is volatility? That means if Nifty moves by 1 point, then this stock will move by 3.65 times. So let's look at its key metrics. Its price to earning ratio is 82.32, which is far greater, I would say. Dividend, it is giving dividend, but it is 0.25%. Okay, fine. Sector, but sector price to earning ratio is 1 to 9.19. That means this is my tips. Price to earning ratio is less than sector PE. That means it is fairly valued than sectors. Its sectors other stocks, and sectors dividend yield is 0.62%, which is also less greater than is my tips dividend yield. So it's good for us definitely, because for me I will invest in those stocks only which gives very less dividend, because growth stocks tend to give less amount of dividend, and high amount of dividend will be given by those stocks which are not expanding, like Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So I'm looking on the financial statement. So financial statements, it has been revenue has been increasing, as well as profits are also notable. So profits are also increasing, I will say, definitely. So it's good. So now I am looking on the financials. So its income is definitely good. Its total revenues have been increasing definitely, and I will say this is EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So its profits before income, interest, and taxes have been increasing, as well as profit before taxes are also increasing, and earnings per share are definitely increasing. This is in growth view. So now I will look at normal view. So total revenues have been increasing, definitely but it is a traveling based industry. So in 2021 I will say that because of COVID, uh, revenues might have decreased. So now they are coming back to on track, and it is like 50% of 2016. So definitely they I want to increase their revenues as well as the profits. So profit before interest taxes and profit before taxes. So I will say that they are paying about 3 to 4 crore rupees of taxes. So that's fine according to their revenues. So earnings per share have been increasing also. So that's a good sign. Because so now I am looking on the balance sheet. So they have an asset of 368 crore rupees, and total assets of 397.68 crore rupees, and total liabilities of 235.01 crore rupees. So that's about like I will say 70% debt to equity ratio, debt to total liabilities to total assets ratio. So that's a good sign, because if a company goes bankrupt, and then bank can sell the assets, and go get the loans paid. So that's a good sign. The equities are also increasing. What is equity? The total assets minus total liabilities, and the difference is called as equity. So again, as an investor, I would definitely look at the cash flow, because if a company has a good free cash flow, then it can give it as a dividend, as well as company can expand also. So it depends on the company that whether to give the profits as dividends, or company wants to expand. So it is also not necessary that a company had given dividend in the past, then company is bound to give the dividend again. It is not like that. Company is not bound to give the dividends. So net change in cash. So cash has been it was decreased. Changes in working capital, so they are increasing the working capital, and in 2022 they have decreased the working capital. That is good. Capital expenditure has been increasing, and free cash flow, there is a free cash flow, like you can see. And FY 2022 they have, it's nothing, it's fine. And what is the most important thing I liked about is my type is the annual presentation. So I am opening the annual presentation. So you should also look at the presentation there also, because there are many companies which don't say what are they doing. As an investor, you should be able to understand the company. What is the company, what does the company do, what is its, what are its products, and what what has company benefit from, what what does the company have benefit from other companies. So you should look on that also. So this is an investor presentation. So one thing also, I will look at the management. So investors, if a promoter holding is 74.75, approximately 74.90%, which is fairly high, which is fine, but in near to SEBI's limit, it is then it will increase the volatility, and decrease the common shares outstanding in the market, definitely. So FIIs and DIIs, LIC has been invested, Aditya Birla and other promoter holding is there. DIIs have been invested, and promoters holding is 75%. So that's I think might be good for me, might be good for me, or it might not be good for you. So that's okay, fine. So now look at the presentation. It's crisp and clear, and I am able to understand at first glance. So look at this. So it should be clear and easy to view at a glance. They have a good presentation, one of the largest. They have clearly gave the idea to the investors. Then what do they do? And they when it's ticket booking and etc things, offices and look at this. So this is given in the chart form, which is a good thing definitely. So look at this. It's a good thing that you should be able to understand what does the company do. These are the like the board of directors. So I have looked at this ma'am, Usha Meha ma'am, which is about 80 years old, and she is independent director and nomination and illumination community, and there is one other member, Satya Prakash, and who like I think they have a very good diversified board of director committee. Yes, here it is Indian listed committee, and a law of arbitration, ex justice, and here is Satya Prakash, who is a bureaucracy law of and ex IRTS officer, judiciary and railway. So that is a good thing that now. So now I am going to so let's talk about its fundamental analysis. So definitely its fundamental analysis is good. So definitely according to fundamental analysis, I will invest in easy trip planners because it is a sector traveling sector based industry, and I have read its investor presentation, and definitely I am very impressed with the presentation. So definitely, and other things are also there, and I am currently investing in Is My Trip. So now I am going to analyzing technical analysis. So this is technical analysis, and one thing I will say that I am a just learner, and I am not a stock advisor. These things I am learning from other persons, and I am presenting to you, and my moral is just to teach you something that you don't know. So do your own diligence, and do your own research. I am not recommending any stocks, so do your own research, do your own market research, and it should meet your risk appetite to the stock market also. So I am making a chart. So yeah, it is a support level. So one, so two, so this is a resistance level for this, and while investing, definitely I will say that you should have margin of safety. So this is how it looks like, and this is the support level, and this is the resistance level. So currently stock price has been 52 at close today. So this is the resistance level is around 50.15. So it's let's measure, it's been up by how many percent? It's been up by 2.3%. So definitely it's fine, and again checking for the margin of safety from all time high, it has been down by approximately 27.91, that is 30 approximately 30%. So definitely margin of safety is 30%. So definitely it is a small cap company, and it has a lot of expansion potential definitely, and so according to technical analysis, definitely currently it's here, so definitely I will invest in is my tip also. So definitely for technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis, I have a green sign for this stock. So definitely coming to the conclusion, will I invest in is my type? Definitely I have built the position as well as I am holding somewhat stocks in is my type. So fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis is good for this stock. So definitely I will invest in this stock. So that's all for today, and again I will come tomorrow with a new stock analysis. I will do fundamental as well as technical analysis of that stock, which includes my magic 34 magic 30 formula portfolio. So definitely, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure you visit my channel, you visit my YouTube channel, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you make sure you visit my website, which is himanshuvasawa.net, and I upload regularly posts related to learnings and other things, and I have uploaded many things here related to my medical as well as blog, and what I learn from other persons I upload here as learning as well. So make sure you visit my website. So thank you.